2, 3, action!
Do that one dance, baby. That one dance.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, baby girl, baby boy. Welcome back. It's lovely to have you. And if you're new here, please do join our family and do the most by subscribing, liking this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into this video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to share us with your friends and family so that we may reach 1,000 subscribers. Much love from me too, and from Abby, since she's my action man. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and I'm just going to jump straight into my eyeshadow. I'm going to start off by applying my eyeshadow primer. I'm using the one from Urban Decay. It's called the eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Original, and I'm just going to place this all over my lid. Like this. Nice, and then I'm just going to blend this out. Just make sure it's blended out pretty well, like you want it smooth. So my face is breaking out a bit, as you can see, because it's almost that time where my body gets really upset that I'm not pregnant. Okay, so that is done, and now I'm gonna go into my Quani Transform palette, and I'm gonna use a CC, which is in the shade Blue, and dust off the excess. And then yeah, now we start playing. So I'm gonna start right here. Guys, this eyeshadow is so pigmented. I tried to record this video yesterday and I was using a totally different palette and you couldn't pick up the blue. You just could not see the blue. Oh wow. Like that. And then I'm gonna go in with a clean brush, a smaller one, and just make sure that the edges are smooth. Now I'm gonna go in with my Alec Go Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. So now I'm gonna go in with a concealer brush and try and make my concealer brush as flat as possible, coating it very generously with concealer because I want the edges to be nice and flat. So like this. Yeah, and now we're gonna go in. Like this, and then I'm going to do this. Alright, and then I'm going to use a totally different brush and just pat this out. Just blend this out. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with another flat brush. Then I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. I'm gonna go into my Naked Basics palette, and I'm just gonna use Pre-Game here. I'm gonna use Pre-Game to set my cut crease. Go back with the brush we were using to blend out the concealer the first time when we were using what shade was this? I think we were using Fawn. Yeah, True Beige, between those two, and then use that to kind of blend between the blue and that white eyeshadow, because you still kind of want it to look really natural here. See? And then I'm going to use an angle brush and go into CC again. Right. Dip into that blue, and now I'm going to create a wing liner. Clean this up. So that's how I do my eyeshadow look, and I'll be back once I've done the other eye, and then we shall. Hey guys, so I'm back and I've finally done my other eye and put on my lashes, and now I'm gonna skip to the next step. I hope you enjoy.
Madoda, they don't do this. Uyakhona ngayomculo. Ayikhona indoda.
Hi guys, so this is what the end result looks like. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give that a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get a notification every single time I upload a video. Also, please don't forget to tell your friends about my channel because I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and your support would really be appreciated. Shout out to you for watching till the end. This I think I look so good. I think I look really good. Yeah, that is it. See you next time. Much love from me. Stay safe.